Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play John Mayer's beautiful song, Love Soon. We will break down the essential elements, making it easy for you to learn. You'll discover the core chords, a straightforward strumming pattern, and helpful tips for smooth playing. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to play this tune with confidence and enjoyment. Let's get started on your musical journey. Let's dive into the essential chords for Love Soon. The main chords you'll need are G major, F sus2, C major, and D major. Focus on pressing down firmly to get a clear sound from each string. Practice moving slowly between these four shapes, ensuring your fingers are ready for the next chord. For a slightly different feel, you can place a capo on the second fret. Now, let's talk about the strumming pattern and rhythm. A great starting point is a simple down-down-up-up-down-up pattern. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently to maintain the song's feel. The original song has a tempo of about 97 beats per minute, so aim for that speed eventually. Start slowly with a metronome to build accuracy and a solid rhythmic foundation. To bring it all together, start by practicing the chord changes for each section of the song. Once you feel confident with the transitions, gradually increase your speed. Listen closely to John Mayer's original recording to capture the nuances of his timing and feel. Remember, consistency is key. With regular practice, you'll be playing Love Soon smoothly and confidently in no time. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.